Hey everyone, welcome to another video by Pythonpool. In this video, we'll be using Turtle module for designing string art in Python. So let me show you the demo program we'll be designing today. So we'll be designing this type of string art in Python, and we'll be using only forward and right properties of Turtle module, and it will be purely based on RGB basis. And this is a very simple code. I'll just write it with you in couple of minutes. Let's see the output of the program. It looks nice, string pattern, nice string art, and that's what we are going to print today. So enough of this, enough of the output. Let me start right away. Let me code a file, name it as test.py, and we'll be using Turtle module. So first of all, we'll be importing Turtle. So from Turtle, we'll be importing everything from Turtle. So import star, and after that we want our graph speed to be 5, and of course a background color, we want it to be black, so it should be more attractive to us. And we want to set our RGB variables we'll be using for the colors. It's 255, 0 and 0. That's it. Now we'll be running the loop for I in range. Range will be providing 255 into 2. Okay, and we'll be altering our colors based on specific conditions. First of all, let's set the color mode. Color mode should be 255, and first condition what we'll encounter, if our I is less than 255 with the floor division of 3. If it is less than this, what we need to do, we need to change the green color and we need to increase it by 3. And if not this condition, elif, if I is less than 255 into 2 floor division by 3, if this is the condition, then what we need to do, we need to change the red color and it should be decreased by 3. Okay, and if this also is not the condition, what we need to do, we need to check another. If I is less than 255, what we need to do, we need to change the blue color and it should be increased by 3. And if this condition also not satisfied, what we need to do, we need to check it about into 4. So I is less than 255 into 4 and floor division by 3. That's important. And what we need to change, we need to change green color. Of course, we need to decrement it with 3, and the last condition will be using it with 5, multiplying with 5 and floor division by 3. If it is the condition, we'll be increasing the R value by 3. And if all the condition doesn't satisfy, we'll be defining it in the else condition and we'll be altering the B with decrement of 3. Okay, and we'll be using only forward and right properties. So forward will be set to 50 plus I, and right will be giving the custom value, that's 91 and 91. And our colors, pen color should be the RGB values, respective RGB values. It should be the pen colors. So R, G and B. And once I hit save, I run this program. Let's run this program, Python test.py. You could see it gives me the similar output as we saw in beginning of the program. It gives me the similar output, that one, beautiful string art using Python Turtle module. Let's wait for this string art to complete itself. So it should be the noticeable to you, because it starts right from the scratch. Okay, so it may be not noticeable when it has the small size. So let me wait for it to become bigger in size so you could see it easily. That's how a string art should be printed, and it's beautiful. Our colors are becoming very beautiful. And once the else limit reaches, it continues to develop draw the string art in the green color. That's the else condition which we gave. Okay, so that's our string art. Let's terminate this, and that's it from this video. Hope you are having a great day. Thank you.